Magandang umaga po, ngayong gabi, o ngayong hapon, saan man kayo, sa inyong lahat. I have basically 3 messages to share with you tonight. First, allow me to thank you for joining this webinar. It is the second Kapatiran sa Kasaganaan SMP, or Service and Multipurpose Cooperative Global Seminar. KSK Co-op, as we call it. It's your service and opportunity provider. Thank you for supporting our advocacy. By joining this webinar, hopefully there will be more of you who will understand what KSK is all about and hopefully join, but in the end, KSK is all about improving your financial lives. Second, congratulations for taking the first step. Maybe not the first or the second, but it's certainly a bold step in trying to learn more about what pooling means, what working together means in providing you serious economic opportunities. Our GM, Armand Benko, will explain to you how we do this at the KSK SMP Co-op. The vision of KSK Co-op is simple. Provide you the opportunities so that you can be part owner of businesses that you can work for when you come home for good. Third, this I really want you to believe and take into account very, very seriously. There is no better time than today to bring back to the Philippines your intellectual capital, your skills, and your money to establish assets that will generate serious income for you and your families in the near and far future. Nagkakagulo po ang buong mundo ngayon. There is a financial crisis of the dollar. There is a financial crisis in the euros. Sa dami ng perang still laying idle around the world, wala akong mapuntahan. And guess where they're looking? Asia. Asia is it. Yan mo ang pinupuntahan ng lahat ng pera ngayon. China being the first target, which is not an easy target because of language and cultural barriers. This is where the Philippines excels. This is where the Philippines beats them all. Our people, like you, are well-versed in international operations. We can communicate. We adapt very easily. We can be trained easily. Second, our natural resources are very, very huge. Do you know, according to the World Bank, Philippines ranks number 3 in gold potential, number 5, I think, in nickel, and number 6 or 7 in chromite. All of these are mining and mineral products seriously in demand all over the world. According to the World Bank, we have the potential to be among the top globally of mining producers. This will happen whether we like it or not, because that's the way it is. Sayang naman kung wala kayo dito when this happens. Now, my view, and I hope you will listen very carefully in this webinar, is that by joining KSK, KSK is not just a co-op like many other co-ops. It's a very unique co-op. The concept is simple. It's more like a movement. Para tayo isang movement to really improve the financial lives of income-earning Filipinos. Those who are abroad, seriously, I know you're all dreaming of coming home for good. What better way to prepare for that event by joining a group like KSK Co-op, who will provide you the opportunities to be owning your own businesses, if not be part owner of big businesses. Businesses that you can work for when you come home for good. I will not go into the details. Our GM, Armand Benko, will explain to you our directions into financial services, food, and real estate. Listen carefully. Please, don't hesitate. Ask as many questions as you want. Take this opportunity take this opportunity seriously. Make these opportunities happen for you. Maraming salamat po. And I hope to see you and interact with you soon. Ito po si Francisco J. Colaico, nagpapaalam at nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay!